Ate may vlog.
Alapin na lang.
Hello.
Hello, vlog! Yes, possible na.
Live na lang.
Someone, check lang from kayo.
Ipakuya kayo ng set niya kung ano mga bansang napuntahan niya.
You have to find someone.
Venus and Mars.
We're walking now. Going to Ateneo kasi nakalagpas kami ng jeep.
Your course in law. We're thrilled to have each and every one of you.
Not show up. What do you do if you are left at the altar?
May notice naman like 2 days.
During the time that the immoral contacts were allegedly occurring, but because they filed 2 months after,
He intimated to person A. So, person B, the Filipina, told person A, Filipina. Okay? So, Filipina finding out that
Again, can we request everyone to
Hi guys, so I'm finally home and actually kanina pa like 5:40ish nag-online class lang ako ng 6 to 9 p.m. and yun, this day is so tiring so I need to rest na. Hello guys, so today, papalitan ko yung galin ko muna siya. Hi, Bron! Bron! So, tatanggalin ko muna siya. Then, ikakabit natin yung binili ko. Excuse me, Bron! It's done. So I have 6 drawers and my table, and I already cleaned my room. So ayan, I'm just happy. Also pala, this, so it's new na. It's light gray, and to match my walls. I love it. I love my room.
Are you happy?
Green. What? excited for the train? Yes. Where? Oh, there's the train! Is it good? Good! Wow, you're gonna ride the choo-choo? Put your hands up. Yay. Wow. Okay, put it down now. Yay. You want to ride there? There's a lot of doors. Wow. Yay. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Okay. Look how the water, oh. Wow. Look here, look here. Wow. You want Donald Duck? You want Donald Duck?
How about this one?
Please. What is that?
What's that?
What's that? Later na, after we pay.
Ay, no.
3 pesos na lang kayo.
What will you say? What will you say?
Thank you, Tati. Oh, we will open, okay?
Say thank you.
Say thank you first.